Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Miller Robson.
Good morning, everyone, and TGIF. Boom, as we head into the weekend, about 6 minutes now to the top of the hour as we take a live look at the Stockman Bank weather cam. Looking toward Grand Avenue, slowly starting to see the city come alive. Let's crunch some numbers. Our high yesterday got up to 26, so still well below average where we should be. We try to hit 40. Maybe as early as Sunday. Some of the areas will get there before we will here in Billings. We woke up with temperatures down in the single digits. Not the case this morning. Also, take a look at those winds. Our top wind yesterday of about 21 miles an hour. Livingston, of course, really seeing some of those stronger winds. We'll show you that here in a second. Here in Billings, we'll start to see those winds really kick up as we get in, maybe as early as Sunday night, but by Monday, we could see gusts up to about 45 miles an hour. Warmed up just a little bit at the airport. We're sitting at 22, but it still feels like 10 degrees with those winds coming in out of the southwest at about 12 miles an hour. Just a quick look around the area. We've got 18 in Roundup. Down in Cody, we're at 26, 4 in Sheridan, Broadus at 3, and my friends in Miles City, we're sitting at about 5 miles an hour. Those winds I was telling you about. We've got a gust of about 56 just recently. We had a gust over 60 miles an hour earlier this morning in Livingston, and so we still have to deal with those winds this morning along I-90 and up 191, where we can see gusts between 50 and 60 miles an hour, if not stronger. That's why that wind advisory still remains in effect for the Livingston area and the Beartooth foothills, where we could see those dangerous crosswinds, could see some blowing snow out there as well. So watch out for the visibility issues if you're in that area for your morning commute and those slick roads. Strong winds still possible with gusts up to about 50 miles an hour along the Cody foothills and the Zorka Mountains. Also, we're looking at more snow. Western Mountains, Yellowstone Park, 4 to 6 inches this morning, and travel cautions up there in our viewing area in Marr County, where we could see some snow showers leading to slick roads, reduced visibility. We actually could see some heavy snow at times in that area. Not seeing it really much here in Billings. We did have a few flurries earlier. It's off to our east and to our south. Still could see some stuff kick up as we do have this little short wave of energy pushing through the area, but you'll notice it'll taper off as we go along this morning, probably by 8 o'clock. Any type of precipitation that we're seeing, if we're seeing anything at all, should be out of here, but we still have some of that snow up there to the west in the higher elevations at least. But our highs today getting into the 30s and 40s. We're going to stay in the 30s for the most part here in Billings tomorrow, but by Sunday, we'll try to push up to 40, and then look at this. Maybe knocking on the door of 50 by the time we get to Monday, and that's when those winds start to kick in for our area, so we'll warm up because of that. But the warm up won't last long. By the middle part of next week, models are indicating that we're going to see another big cool down, and we may get back below freezing for highs by the time we get to Wednesday or even Thursday. It's 3 to the top of the hour. We're back right after this.